A large sinkhole appeared on a road near Tokyo, Japan. A truck was driving on the road when the ground suddenly collapsed. The truck fell into the hole, and the driver was trapped inside. Emergency workers quickly arrived to help. This unexpected event shocked many people and raised concerns about road safety. The sinkhole appeared on January 31st, 2025 in Chofu, a city near Tokyo, Japan. It formed on a busy road in the morning when many people were going to work. The hole was very large and the road collapsed suddenly, surprising drivers and pedestrians nearby. The sinkhole was about 5 meters wide and several meters deep. The ground cracked before falling in, creating a deep hole. The edges of the sinkhole were rough and broken pieces of asphalt and dirt could be seen inside. Water was also visible at the bottom, which suggested that an underground pipe might have broken. A delivery truck was driving on the road when the collapse happened. The truck fell into the hole and the driver, a man in his 40s, was trapped inside. People nearby called emergency services immediately. The driver was conscious but unable to get out because the truck was stuck at an angle inside the sinkhole. Rescue teams had to act quickly to save him before the situation became worse. After the truck fell into the sinkhole, emergency services arrived quickly. Firefighters, police officers, and medical teams worked together to rescue the trapped driver. First, they checked the sinkhole to make sure it was safe to enter. They used ropes and ladders to try to reach the truck. A firefighter climbed down carefully and talked to the driver to keep him calm. The rescue team faced many challenges during the operation. The sinkhole was deep, and the ground around it was unstable. They were worried that the hole could get bigger, which would make the rescue more dangerous. Also, the truck was stuck at an angle, so it was difficult to open the door and pull the driver out. The rescue team had to be very careful not to cause more damage. After working for over an hour, the team finally managed to get the driver out. He had some minor injuries, but he was safe. Medical workers checked him and took him to the hospital for further examination. The police then blocked off the area to prevent more accidents. The city officials promised to investigate the cause of the sinkhole and repair the road as soon as possible. Sinkholes can form for many reasons. In this case, experts believe that underground pipe corrosion may have caused the road to collapse. Over time, water pipes, sewage lines, or drainage systems beneath the ground can weaken due to rust, leaks, or natural wear and tear. If a pipe breaks, water can wash away the soil around it, creating an empty space underground. Eventually, the surface above becomes too weak to support heavy vehicles, and the road collapses. Another possible reason is heavy rain or underground water movement. Japan experiences a lot of rain throughout the year, and strong typhoons can bring sudden, heavy downpours. When too much water flows underground, it can slowly erode the soil and create a hidden hole beneath the surface. Over time, this hole grows larger, and when the ground above can no longer hold its weight, a sinkhole appears. Japan has seen several sinkhole incidents in recent years. In 2016, a massive sinkhole opened up in the city of Fukuoka, swallowing a large section of the road. The hole was about 30 meters wide and 15 meters deep. It took days to fill the hole and weeks to fully repair the area. In 2020, another sinkhole appeared in Tokyo's Ginza district, one of the city's busiest shopping areas. Fortunately, no one was injured, but it raised concerns about the city's underground infrastructure. The sinkhole near Tokyo this time is another reminder that regular maintenance of underground pipes and roads is very important. Experts say that authorities should check underground systems more often to prevent future accidents. Cities should also use new technology, such as ground-penetrating radar, to find weak spots in the soil before a collapse happens. The sinkhole near Tokyo not only affected the driver and rescue workers, but also caused serious concerns for the local community. Many people living and working in the area were shocked and scared when they saw the road collapse. Some residents and business owners worried that similar sinkholes could appear in other places. As a result, authorities took immediate action to ensure public safety. After the sinkhole appeared, police blocked off the road to prevent further accidents. They placed warning signs and barriers around the area to stop people from getting too close. Some nearby buildings, including shops and houses, were temporarily evacuated because engineers feared that the ground might still be unstable. Residents were asked to stay away until experts could confirm that the area was safe. Many local businesses were also affected. Stores and restaurants near the sinkhole had to close for the day because there was no safe way for customers to reach them. Delivery services and public transportation were also disrupted, causing delays for workers and students who relied on the road. Some taxi drivers had to take longer routes, making travel more expensive and time-consuming for passengers. Local authorities and engineers quickly started investigating the cause of the sinkhole. They sent teams to check underground pipes, gas lines, and the surrounding soil to understand what had gone wrong. To prevent another collapse, workers filled the sinkhole with sand and concrete to make the ground stable again. They also tested the nearby roads to see if there were any hidden weak spots. The government promised to improve regular maintenance of underground infrastructure. Officials said they would use advanced technology, such as ground-penetrating radar and 3D mapping, to scan for dangerous underground conditions before they caused major problems. Experts also suggested that old water and sewage pipes should be replaced or reinforced to avoid future sinkholes. In addition, city officials held a public meeting to answer questions from worried residents. They explained the situation and assured the community that repairs would be completed as soon as possible. They also gave safety advice, telling people what to do if they ever see cracks or sinking areas on the road. Although the sinkhole caused fear and inconvenience, it also served as a wake-up call for better city planning and maintenance. Residents now hope that the government will take stronger measures to ensure that roads and underground systems remain safe for everyone. The sudden sinkhole near Tokyo was a shocking and dangerous incident. A delivery truck fell into the hole, and the driver was trapped inside until emergency workers rescued him. Fortunately, he survived with only minor injuries, but the event caused major concerns for the local community. Residents and businesses were affected as the road was closed for safety reasons, and many people worried about whether similar accidents might happen in other areas. Experts believe that underground pipe corrosion or heavy rain may have caused the ground to weaken, leading to the collapse. This is not the first time a sinkhole has appeared in Japan. Similar incidents in cities like Fukuoka and Tokyo in recent years show that aging underground infrastructure is a serious issue that needs more attention. This incident is a reminder of the importance of infrastructure maintenance. City officials must inspect underground systems more regularly to find and fix weak spots before they become dangerous. Using modern technology, such as ground-penetrating radar and advanced mapping systems, can help detect hidden problems and prevent future sinkholes. Additionally, replacing old pipes and improving drainage systems will help make cities safer. For the public, this event also highlights the need to stay aware of road conditions. If people see cracks, sinking areas, or unusual movements on the ground, they should report them to local authorities immediately. With better awareness, maintenance, and technology, cities can reduce the risk of sinkholes and protect the safety of their residents.